Here's how to fix iPhone overheating issue. If you're facing overheating issues on your iOS 17, follow these easy steps to fix it. The first method is close all apps. Closing all apps can cool down your iPhone. The second solution is restart your iPhone. Sometimes restarting your iPhone can fix overheating issue. So give a simple restart and hope this solution will fix the issue. The third solution is switch to an official Apple charger. To charge your iPhone, make sure to use authentic Apple adapter, charging adapter and cable. And the fourth solution is you can enable airplane mode for 20 seconds. Then turn it back off and check the issue. The next solution is turn off background app refresh. Go to iPhone settings, scroll down, tap on general, tap on background app refresh, tap on background app refresh and select here off and then check the issue. The last solution is turn on auto brightness. Open your iPhone settings, scroll down, tap on display and brightness and here enable true tone. And after following the solution, hope the overheating issue will be fixed. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5 Minute Solution. See you in the next video.